What up, good people? What's happening, man? Y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy. That right, I'm back, babe. I know it's Sunday. You know, pray the Lord, all that. You know what I'm saying? What's happening? Whatever you do, whoever you pray to, that's on you. But anyway, look at man. I want to send out a shout out to the good people at Tron Chain, Ether Chain, whoever they are. I'm sure somebody might know them. I don't know. I don't keep up. You know, I don't read no white papers. I don't be following these folks around sniffing their ass for no LinkedIn's and all that. I don't care that. Go follow somebody else for that stupid shit. But anyway, look here, man. This thing is almost at 10 million Tron in the contract. Man, that is awesome, man. It only been, what, 3 days? 10 million Tron, and I see 100 million in this contract, bro. Because it's foolproof, man. Man, it give out 1% a day, but it's going to be there, bro. You know what I'm saying? This thing is almost at, I saw that because the other day it was at like $1 million. It was like 2 million, 2.5, 3. 5.5, 6.2, 7.9. God, dog. It's at 9.6. So for sure by in the morning, it's going to be at 10 million Tron. Hand clap for y'all, man. That is awesome. As you can see, I got 50,000 in there myself. I got almost 6,000 to withdraw. So, you know, I'm well on my way. And I want to put another 50,000 in there to make it an even 1,000 a day. Get 1,000 Tron up out this thing a day, man. That sound good. 1,000 Tron a day. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's what's happening. And they ain't got to put 50%. They ain't going to take 50. You get it off the top. You put it in and you get Tron out. That's what I'm talking about, man. What sense would it make for me to put in 50,000? They take 25,000 and then give me 25 Tron a day for the next 12 months. That's fucking stupid. They ain't gonna give me my own shit back. No, we're not doing that, bro. We ain't doing it that way. I ain't calling no daps out. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. But I just want to shout out Tron Chain, man. Y'all want to get in there? Link is in the description, man. You know, Ether Chain going. It's verified and audited. You know what I'm saying? Everybody forget that second part. Anybody can be verified, but is that audited? Are you audited? Okay then. Anyway, we're gonna keep it moving, man. Let's come on over here to the 500-pound gorilla in the room. T2X, man. I've been hollering this. I know y'all tired of me hollering about T2X, T2X, T2X. Hey, man. Pound for pound, this is probably the best paying dApp in crypto. Best paying anything. Pound for pound. I ain't talking about coming to see what people like to do. They like to put like 50 ETH over in something else and then come over here and put 0.2 ETH and then say, well, I don't see it. No, you got to put the same 50 ETH in everything to know what's paying. You see what I'm saying? So don't come on. Hey, I'm just trying to tell you. I ain't heard nobody say nothing bad about T2. I don't think people can say, it might go, it might. Hey, it might. You'll never hear me say nothing. You ain't gonna hear me say forever on nothing. Anytime somebody tell you something forever, then run. I ain't gonna never tell you something forever. I don't know these people. Like I said about Tron Chain. These folk the same. They could be somewhere on a beach in Tahiti right now, getting ready to run. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. When they run, they just be gone. I move on to something else. That's another thing. Let me leave before I get into this. That leads me to something else. See how I just said, if they go, I'll move on to something else. I'm gonna start deleting all that dumb shit. You can, I ain't going for it no more. Cause see, people want to come on your damn YouTube. They use YouTube to make themselves feel good. They want to come on your shit, you know what I'm saying, and try to sound smart like they graduated from Harvard or something. You ain't got a whole ETH in your wallet. You ain't got no business even on YouTube. What the fuck? You damn sure got no business on my channel. You ain't even got that fucking 2 ETH. Trying to talk shit on somebody's channel like you smart. I'm deleting all that shit. I ain't going for that no more. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? Normally, I don't even give a fuck. You say what you want to say. It don't bother me. My channel I ain't monetized. I don't care. But I see how people do. Cause I see it on other people's channel. I see they do it on other people's channel. I'm like, how you gonna tell somebody what to do? Like, we grown ass men and women in this shit, man. We know the fucking risk what we taking. This my motherfucking Tron, my ETH, my whatever I want. If I want to wipe my ass and throw it in the trash, I can. I hate when people try to tell somebody else what to do with their crypto. Do what the fuck you want to do with it. It's yours. Because if you lose it, you can't blame nobody. And if you get $1 million, you don't give me none. So what the fuck? It don't make no sense. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, man, back to the 300-pound monster. But this thing here paying out. I can't believe it. Like, I be looking at it, but I don't believe it. Like, how? I ain't gonna even show my wallet. I think I made a mistake and showed my wallet the other day. Y'all see when I pulled up out this thing, man? Look, I'm gonna show you something right quick. A stake. I staked something like on day 20. I'm gonna release it day 25. That's 5 days. I think we on day 23 now, so I'm about 2 days. That's 5 days. I staked 300K of T2X, which really wasn't that hard to get in the beginning. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. Some people like to lie that, but I put in 12 ETH in it. No, I didn't. See, in the beginning, we was getting it. You know what I'm saying? I think it was like, 13-1. So we was getting it. That's faith, baby. The beginners always win. So I got 300,000 right now. Now look, for 5 days, where is it? I'm going to pull out 6,500 Tron. Just for staking. Just think about it. Now I'm going to take that out and restake it for another 5 days. Probably get 10,000 out because of the way the thing works. As you can see, I got a stake. I'm finna get 33,000 Tron out. I got another stake, 3,800. So what you talking about, man? Like, what are we talking about? We talking about making Tron, or you want to try to sound smart? What you want to do, man? I'm trying to show you how to make some Tron. All crypto leads to Bitcoin. I don't give a damn what it is. Tron, the same thing is ETH, as Chainlink, as synthetics, as all this shit cashes right out to Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever you got in your Coinbase or whatever, your crypto.com card, MCO, CR, whatever. All this shit cash out into fiat. To fiat. Like, love it or not. XRP, whatever it is, it cashes out to fiat, man. So you can talk about all that, man. We over here making bank, but this T2X thing is printing money, bro. And I like it because they don't make no whole lot of noise. They ain't finna be no flash and dash. They ain't finna do all the extra shit. They ain't finna be giving away no 7-year trip around the world, all that shit. You come in here to the lobby, you put in Tron, you get T2X, you stake it. And when your stake ends, you get your T2X back and you get Tron dividends. Are you fucking kidding me? Man, you don't get on somewhere, whatever it is you talking about, you go on do it then. Whatever it is you doing, go on keep doing that. You know what I'm saying? I'm over here making bank. So I just want to let y'all know that, man. Shout out to Tron Chain. 10 million Tron in the contract. Shout out to T2X. Boy, this making Tron rain all on. Boy, we gotta get another bag. Our bag done runneth over. If you a T2X, boy, you gotta find out a bag, man. You got a bag alcohol. I put some of the Tron in here, boy. Hey, man, anyway, man. Hey, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holler back at your boy, man.